So hello guys, John Aguipo here, and we're gonna doing CISCO packet tracer using switches, routers, and DCE serials. So first, we're gonna be coding this switch. I'll name IT. Okay, so the name of the VLAN 100 is IT, and I'll be needing three VLAN, the default one, the VLAN 100, and also the VLAN 200, and I will name it CS. So I will be placing ports on the VLAN 100. So 9 to 17. I mean 16. So then we go exit. The same goes for the VLAN 200. Okay, so the last one is the default. Okay, so in order to show the VLAN, we'll just type show VLAN brief. So we have three VLAN, the default, the 100, and the 200, and has perspective ports. So we will be needing 4 switch, and the switch can be copy paste. So we'll just do copy paste. So we will be gonna needing PC. Okay, so this one is the static, and also this, but this one is a dynamic. Okay, so this because this is static, I'll just be placing a IP address in here, and the IP address that I will give is 5.1. okay, so, sorry, I mean 5.2. sorry, and this one is the 5.1. So we will gonna needing connections in order the router can give a IP to the dynamic. So first we're gonna be coding this route. Okay, so no. So the IP address that I will give this router is 1.1. 1.1. Then you'll go no shot. the network, and the default router. And also the option 150. Okay, so this will do. So next is we will be needing a switch. I mean connections. Say okay, so we'll be using straight through, and we will be, this router will give IP address to the dynamic, and we'll be using VLAN 200. Okay, so the VLAN 200 has ports of from 17 to 24, so 17. But if switch to switch, if the we will be using the connections crossover. Okay, so okay, so the static one is on the VLAN 100, which is 9 to 16, and the dynamic is from VLAN 200, 17 to 24. Okay, so let's wait to the dynamic to turn it into green. Oh, so now it's turned to green. Okay, so click the PC, desktop, IP configuration, just click the DHCP radio button, and it will give a automatic IP address. Okay, so close. So the next thing we do is the IP phone. So we will be needing the IP phone. Place it here and here. So we will be needing the IP phone. So first, just turn on the IP phone. Connect the cable, then wait. Okay, so this router will give the IP address or the number to this IP phone. Okay, so we will be coding this one. Oh, so I forgot 255. Sorry. And lastly, the option 150. Okay, so exit. So this this code is for the DHCP, and we're not coding for the telephone IP phone. Okay, so we'll be going to telephony service, max DN, set the units, so I'll just putting it into 4, max ePhones 4. Okay, so I forgot the source, then we will be auto assign from 1 to 4, and we go exit. Okay, so the next thing we do is if on DN 1, and we'll be placing a number 2101. Then exit. Then next is if on the into number 2102. Exit. 3 03. Exit. If on the N4 04, then we go exit. Okay, so let's check it out. So we'll be putting the ports now so that it can connect it to the IP phone. So let's check it out. And success. Okay, so let's try calling each other. So I will just type 2101 in here. Okay, and it ring out, so they connected. Okay, so this portion is done, so we'll go to this one, same as this one. Okay, and we're back. Okay, so let's check the IP here. Okay, so here the static, the two statics. Okay, so let's try connecting. Okay, so I'll connect the 2002. Okay, so ring out and connect it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is the CD serial, I mean DCE serial. Okay, so this, click this one and the serial to 0. Okay, so first is let's click this one and we're gonna code serial the IP address. Since we're gonna connecting each other, so we'll be using the IP of this one, this router. Okay, since this router were the one we coded. Okay, so 2.1. Okay, then the clock rate 64k, no shot. Then we go exit. So let's code this one now. Oh, sorry. Okay, then the IP address of this one, since we code this one. Okay, then the clock rate, no shot. Then we go exit. So the expected, so we gonna message this dynamic to this dynamic. Okay, so I believe it would go fail, but so you're gonna be pinging them twice. Okay, I believe it will go success. See? Okay, so the static, it would go fail. Same goes here and here. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you.